to start the university study centers in the Gulf region, similar to the Indian schools functioning in this region.
Urgent action by the government to free Indians in overseas jails. The number of Indian expatriates being imprisoned in foreign countries due to ignorance of local laws and traffic rules is on the increase at an alarming rate, and that a large number of people have been given long-term jail sentences after being unable to pay up huge fines imposed by authorities for traffic accidents and violations. The NRI fraternity meet of the Popular Front of India strongly demands that the central and state governments intervene in such cases and to instruct embassies and consular authorities take serious steps to release these unfortunate souls. This meet also demands the government to provide financial support from the welfare fund run by the Indian embassies for the release and return of Indians imprisoned for various reasons.
The NRI fraternity meet of the Popular Front of India hereby demand that the Indian expatriates who strengthens the Indian economy and spearheaded the development activities be provided the rights to vote. More than 6 million Indian expatriates living in the 6 GCC countries send about $30 billion worth of foreign exchanges yearly, comprising 3% of the national income. Even after a lot of discussions, deliberations, and declarations on providing identity cards and voting rights for the Indian expatriates, nothing has materialized until now. This meeting also deplores the stepmotherly attitude adopted by the central government as well as political leaders towards the expatriates in the Gulf, and the annual NRI jamborees are nothing but the showcase unpopular and unrepresentative expatriate leaders. Therefore, this meeting strongly demands that the activity of Bharatiya Pravasi Divas be made more effective and the central government take appropriate steps to effectively pass the Pravasi Rights to Vote Bill that is expected to be presented at the next Parliament session.
The NRI fraternity meet of Popular Front of India strongly demands the following to the affected, deprived and destitute Gulf returnees. 1. Introduce special schemes to provide jobs in government or quasi-government institutions to expatriates who are forced to return home after losing their jobs. 2. Provide reservation in education institutions to